now we have start chapter 5. Now solve the question. Look here. Question is 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. Converting the given fraction into improper fraction. 4 3 ja 12 plus 2 14 upon 3 plus 4 3 ja 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So LCM is 12. 3 4 ja 12. 14 multiplied by 4 plus 4 3 ja 12. 13 multiplied 3. 14 4 ja 56 plus 13 3 ja 39 upon 12. 56 plus 39 is equal to 95 upon 12. Solve the question. Now next question. N is equal to 16 upon 5 minus 7 upon 5. LCM is 5. 5 1 ja 5. 16 1 ja 16 minus 5 1 ja 5. 7 1 ja 7. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9 upon 5. Next is n is equal to 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. LCM is 6. 3 2 ja 6. 4 2 ja 8 minus 2 3 ja 6. 3 1 ja 3. 4 2 ja 8 minus 3 1 ja 3 upon 6. 8 minus 3 5 upon 6. Okay. Now next question. Next question is Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Solution is length of ribbon bought by Sarita is equal to 2 upon 5. Length of ribbon bought by Lalita is equal to 3 by 4. Total length of ribbon is equal to 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. LCM is 4 and 5 is equal to 20. This is LCM. 5 4 ja 20 and 4 2 ja 8 plus 4 5 ja 20. 3 5 ja 15. Now 4 2 ja 8 plus 5 3 ja 15 upon 20. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23 upon 20 meter. This is answer. Okay student, write down the question. Next question is Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake and Najma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Solution is amount of cake given to Naina 1 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Amount of cake given to Najma is equal to 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Okay. Total amount of cake given is equal to 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. 2 3 ja 6. This is LCM 6. 2 3 ja 6. 3 multiplied 3 plus 3 2 ja 6. 4 multiplied 2. 3 3 ja 9 plus 4 2 ja 8 upon 6. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17 upon 6. Converting to mixed fraction. 6 2 ja 12 plus 5 17. So converting to mixed fraction 2 5 upon 6. This is answer. Okay. Now next question. Fill in the box. Blank box minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So transport in this term 1 by 4 plus 5 upon 8, LCM is 8, 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 plus 8 1 ja 8, 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2 plus 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 2 7 upon 8, 7 upon 8. Okay, now next B part, blank box minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 upon 2. This term is transposed to right side, 1 upon 5 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 10, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 upon 10. The value of box is equal to 7 upon 10. Next is C part, 1 upon 2 minus blank box is equal to 1 upon 6. So blank box is equal to 1 by 2. This term is transposed to left hand side, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. LCM is 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, minus 6 1 ja 6, 1 multiply 1, 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 6. This is answer. Okay. Now next question is, Shabnam painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhuri helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Solution is space painted by Shubham, 2 by 3 of the room, and space painted by Madhuri is equal to 1 upon 3 of the room. Hands together they painted is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3. Cancel out, is equal to 1. That is the complete wall. Okay. Now next question. Javed was given 5 upon 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Now solution is, fractions given to Javed is equal to 5 upon 7. Fraction left in basket is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 7. LCM is 7. Convert into this term, 7 upon 7 is equal to 1. 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. LCM is 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 2 by 7. This is answer. Okay. Now next question. 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Okay. LCM is 30. 10 3 ja 30. 3 multiplied by 3. This is 9. 15 2 ja 30. 7 2 ja 14. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23 upon 30. Okay. Now next question. 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. The LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. LCM is 63. 9 7 ja 63. 7 4 ja 28 plus 7 9 ja 63. 9 2 ja 18. 7 4 ja 28 plus 9 2 ja 18 upon 63. 28 plus 18 upon 63 is equal to 46 upon 63. This is answer. Okay. Now next question. 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. The LCM 3 and 7 is 21. 7 3 ja 21. 7 3 ja 21 and 5 3 ja 15. Plus 3 7 ja 21. 7 1 ja 7. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22 upon 21. This is answer. And next question, 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 6. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. 5 6 ja 30. 5 6 ja 30. 6 multiplied by 2 plus 6 5 ja 30. 5 1 ja 5. 6 2 ja 12 plus 5 upon 30. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17 upon 30. Okay, student? Write down the question.